right, viewers, let's get you Home Minister Amit Shah's reaction on what the Prime Minister said today about the kind of abuses that had been hurled against him and his mother. Let me quote what he said. From the stage of Congress and RJD, not only my mother, he's quoted the Prime Minister. In fact, we have that post up on the screens. He's shared the video of the Prime Minister, and he has, of course, hit out at the opposition, tweeting, of course, what the Prime Minister had said about abuses being hurled at him as well as his late mother. Listen in to what has been posted.
साथियों, कांग्रेस आरजेडी के मंच से गाली, भद्दी गाली केवल मेरी मां को नहीं दी गई है, ये भद्दी भद्दी गाली करोड़ों माताओं बहनों को दी गई है। साथियों, एक गरीब मां की तपस्या, उसके बेटे की पीड़ा, ये शाही खानदानों में पैदा हुए युवराज नहीं समझ सकते। ये नामदार लोग तो सोने चांदी का चम्मच लेकर पैदा हुए हैं। साथियों, कांग्रेस आरजेडी के मंच से
My colleague Mohit Bhatt is joining us for more on this. Mohit, the Home Minister also joining in as far as hitting out at the opposition is concerned. The Prime Minister was very emotional today when he made that address and talked about how his late mother was also brought into the petty politics that is being practiced by the opposition. The Home Minister now sharing that video and saying that this is what is the reality of the opposition.
Well, Shreya, perhaps for the first time, Prime Minister has spoken on this particular issue, and he got very emotional. He spoke about that how his late mother was also brought into the politics, and this is not just insult to Prime Minister Narendra Modi or his late mother, but also it's an insult to women in Bihar, all the women of the country, that how the women are being abused in the course of the politics. And we know for a fact that how BJP has been attacking the opposition parties. BJP has been saying this, that the Congress party and the RJD, they believe in politics of abuse, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been abused more than 100 times since he has assumed the political office, since he has come into the public life. And the BJP surely would be raking this issue up in the run-up to the elections too. This will be a major issue which will be raked up by the BJP, and now we see that how Home Minister Amit Shah has also spoken about it. Many of the BJP leaders are coming out and hitting out at the Congress party and the RJD that this is the level of politics that the Congress party or the RJD have gone down to, that they are abusing the mother of the late mother of the Prime Minister. So what we see is that massive politics over it after PM statement. We have to wait and watch how exactly this will pan out in course of the elections in Bihar.
All right, Mohit, thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Viewers, with that, it's time for a short break. News and updates will continue on Times Now.